Hello, my name's Lisa and I'm from Elements in Bishop Stortford. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a modern day beehive, or classically known as a vintage chignon. Today all you will need is secured into a ponytail with a covered hairband, and the other things you'll need are Kirby grips and hairspray and a brush. First of all, after securing your hair into a high ponytail, like so, you can either use a hair pad made at home, or you can get them professionally from your wholesalers or in your professional salon. Secure this into place by covering the hairband slightly. Use 4 pins on each corner. No need to open the pins, just ease them in. Like so. Next, just smooth out the hair that you've got remaining and place over on top of the pad, making sure it's fully covered. Then twist the ends and pin back up into the hair pad. Secured with 2 grips. And there you have your modern day chignon. This look was created in under 2 minutes and with no backcomb necessary. You can give it a quirky look by adding bows, flowers and slides, like so.